Hi, this is Aarti here. I'm the student of NIECCE. Initially, we didn't know what a preschool teacher is all about. The whole journey started with Girish sir for basic learning English and preschool management. And his amazing stories are an inspiration to us even now. Sanjay sir taught us communicative English. We were amazed by his qualifications. Munmu ma'am, amazing energy. It was mind blowing to see her energy level. Anita ma'am for handwriting, and only after we got to know that handwriting is such a difficult of all the things that we have ever been, and also we could understand the pain of the children, how they put up with the handwriting. And also I would like to say Rabia ma'am for nutrition, Tejas sir for child psychology, Kiran ma'am for first aid, and Sahana ma'am for phonics. And these teachers, they were all very brilliant actually. And our internship experience with children was mind-blowing. It was brilliant again. Made some wonderful friends in the journey with NIECC, which will come a long way. And not to forget our Deepa ma'am. She was so helpful, and she was a guiding star for the entire journey of our NIECCE. And also I would like to tell about her amazing photographic skills. We all enjoyed it. This journey made a difference in our life, and it made us a complete human as well. It made us professionals. Thank you so much.